Today we're going to be doing a super cool experiment with Orbeez. I love Orbeez. The first step of this super cool science experiment is we have to put some of our Orbeez in our jar. Let's see what happens. Wow! It erupted like a volcano. If you look really closely, after all the foam goes down, the Orbeez start to dance. Thanks for doing my science experiment with me. I had so much fun. You should try this at home. It's super easy, and I'm sure you have all of the ingredients right around your house. Oh, and hey, don't forget, wave goodnight to the moon for me.